Want to download OpenShell and bring back the classic Windows Start menu? OpenShell is a free, open-source application that lets you customize your Start menu and make Windows feel more familiar. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to download OpenShell in 2026. First, launch your preferred web browser and search for the official OpenShell download page. Downloading from an official or trusted source helps ensure you receive the latest version of the software. Once you're on the download page, find the latest available release. Before downloading, you can also review the release notes to see what's new and verify that the version supports your version of Windows. Next, click the installer download link and wait for the file to finish downloading. Yeah, depending on your browser, the installer will usually be saved in your downloads folder. After the download is complete, open your downloads folder and confirm that the installer file is there. I mean, you don't need to run it just yet if you only wanted to download the software. Before installing, you may want to confirm the file downloaded successfully and matches the latest release. Keeping the installer from a trusted source helps reduce the risk of downloading outdated or modified files. Finally, you're ready to install OpenShell whenever you like. Simply run the installer and follow the setup wizard to begin customizing your Windows Start menu. And that's how to download OpenShell in 2026. Once you've downloaded the installer, you're ready to install the application and personalize your Windows Start menu. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.